In order to use OnShape 3D drawing, first you'll need to create an account. You can follow these steps to create your own education account. First, in your internet browser, preferably using Google Chrome, type in OnShape. It's all one word, OnShape. Enter. You should see OnShape product development platform as one of your first choices, and we're going to choose sign up. And this is the page that you should see. If you scroll down, you'll see three options: OnShape Professional, OnShape Education, and OnShape for Makers. We're going to want Education. And down here it says Request Your Education Account. I'm going to click on this, and you'll have to fill this out. You don't need to give any of the personal information. I can just use initials. I will need to give an active email that I can check. You cannot use your school email. You probably should not use your school email because it might get filtered out. I'm going to use my home email. Student or an educator, you're going to say student. School level, K-12. Scroll down a little further. By checking this box, I agree to be, so you might get some emails about new OnShape releases. That's okay. So I'm going to check the box, get started. You're going to have to enter your school name. Don't really have to do it, but you have to say something there. School website URL, for us that's www.rsd.k12.pa.us, or you could go to the Riverview website and copy and paste that. Pittsburgh or Oakmont is okay there. PA is okay there. Country, and it starts in alphabetical order. If I type the letter U, it'll jump me down. Keep hitting U. And there was United States. Or if you want to search or scroll down, that'll work too. Graduation year, the latest I think they have is 2024. We're going to select that. What are we using OnShape for? Education. And check the three boxes. 1, 2, 3. Tell them you're not a robot. And then you create an account. Once you click on Create Account, it should send you an activation email. You'll have to go to your email, find that, and follow the instructions to activate. At that point, you should be able to sign in. And real quickly, I will show you that. If I click on OnShape again, once I've activated my email, I go here, sign in. Use your whatever your username and password was, and it should allow you to enter OnShape. Hopefully that works for you. Good luck.